God is good and His mercy endures forever. It's just a blessing to stand on this uh, place today. Behind me, it's a community of people that we serve from the community center. The area by is called Sri Lanka, and we are very blessed to be working with this beautiful community. For many years, this area has experienced a lot of floods. The reason being is that down there we have what used to be a dam, but now it is, people have encroached and people are living in it. And so when we have the rainy season, we have had a lot of homes affected by the rain and the floodings. And so what has been happening is that people have lost their properties and people have lost their lives. And so the community came and requested us if we could work together to ensure that we put up a gabion that would be able to stop the rainwater from getting into their homes. Most of the homes behind here are people who are considered poor because they live below $1 a day, and most of them have to go and work in factories, work as nannies, and they earn an average of between $1 to $2. And so it's very hard for them to be able to afford a decent accommodation or to live in places whereby they will be protected from such elements like water. So we came together as a community, and through God's grace, God provided the funds to ensure that we set up this project for the gabion. As you can see, we've done one on our end, and we also felt we needed to do one on this end. So God has been faithful, and we are happy to say that never again will this area in particular will we have children crying, or mothers or fathers crying that they are fearing for their lives because of the rainwater that is coming through this stream, as you can see. So this is like a river. It connects from other sources, and because the slum does not have a proper drainage system, so what happens is that all the water that collects ends up going down here, this path, and in most cases it ends up in people's home, because most of the houses are made of mud and some, what you could call some leftovers from plastic bags and things like that.
Wakati huyu jamaa ametokea huko akakuja na hii mradi yenye iko hapa hii, kwangu kidogo niliona kama amenigusa moyo. Hii ni maji yenye sasa inakuwa matumizi ya hapa ndani, ni kurekebisha kidogo. Halafu hapa ndani tukue na drainage, mitaro mzuri tena zitengenezwe. Sisi kama wakaaji hapa tunajitoa kutoa hata ile sehemu yenye kidogo.
So we thank God for that providence, because it was not a cheap, it was not easy to do it. It required a bit of finances and manpower, but by the grace of God we did it. Even the government has tried, but they've not been able to. But through us we have been able to do that. So we thank God for that and for the support and the love we got from the community. So God bless you. It's not by power nor by might, but by the Spirit of the living God. We are excited.